Another headline on the screen, another city in between, smoke rising to the sky, another mother asking why. History written in the dust, empires falling, broken trust. From ancient walls to modern skies, too many dreams have said goodbye. Different flags, different names, but somehow it feels the same. Children learning fear too young, before they've even found their song. How many tears before we see? How many lies before we believe that every border, every land still holds another human hand? Stop the war, we don't need another fire. Stop the war, we are tired of watching lives expire. We're the children of tomorrow, we don't want another sorrow. No more hatred, no more pain, let the world breathe once again. We grew up online together, sharing dreams across the weather. Different languages, different skin, but our hearts still beat within. Gen Z standing side by side, saying love is stronger than pride. We have seen enough destruction, enough fear, and enough corruption. No more cities turn to dust, no more breaking human trust. Maybe peace begins tonight if we choose what's right. Stop the war, we don't need another fire. Stop the war, we are tired of funeral choirs. We're the children of tomorrow, we don't want inherited sorrow. No more bombs beneath the rain, let the world heal once again. One sky above every nation, one future, one generation. If history keeps repeating, then let our voices change its meaning. Put the weapons to the ground, listen to the children's sound. We're not asking who is right, we're asking for another life. Stop the war, no more mothers left in pain. Stop the war, no more children in the rain. We're the children of tomorrow, trying hard to end this sorrow. Maybe love can lead the way, maybe peace can start today. One world, one sky, one hope, no more destruction. Let there be peace.